Do you know what I heard all night long? All night long. Even now. Ma, 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 ma. All I could think of when I would wake up and hear them was, move your ass. Get out of my way. He said go that way. Well, I don't know. We'll turn around. You're facing the wrong way. Give me more space. I don't have enough space. Just sounds like they're just complaining. Like they're just all pissed off just because whenever you see them, they're super smushed together, right? We're going to head out now. It's like 7 a.m. It's a nice crisp air. We're going to have a downhill today. Yay! Guess what? I'm riding my bicycle. We have reached the summit. Holla freaking Luya. Oh, the bloom. Isn't it beautiful? Look at this. Do we have to go up that? I thought I'm at the summit. Oh, yay. We were at the summit. It's all downhill from here, baby. Rocky Bar, Idaho. Look at this. Oh, there's a camper in a car. That just totally killed my visual. All right, let's take a look. Oh, the spring mattress. Look at that. Rocky Bar is not a public restroom. Go up the road and find a tree. Caution cats, dogs, kids, and old people with guns. Rocky Bar, Idaho was established in 1863. There are 11 people here. As of this moment, 12. I do wish there was a little store though. It'd be awesome to be able to fix that up. And look at this cool tall thing up ahead. But look, there's like a major house here. It's kind of killing the whole vibe for me. There's a cutie pie. Come here. He's gonna welcome me. Come here, sweetie pie. Yeah, yes. So I'm speaking to this gentleman here. What's your name?
Dale.
Dale. Dale is the owner of Rocky Bar. His wife is sitting up there, Karen. The story is...
Been coming up here 50 years.
50 years.
And the way we bought the buildings and the property is I just came up to see my mountain brother up here, and he told me that they were for sale. We ended up closing the deal on it all, and there's 9.87 acres in land. So we live up here 5.5 to 6 months out of the year. Karen still goes back to Twin and works every week.
You do?
Yeah.
How long is your drive? 3 hours? Once on Fridays and come back on Sundays. Wow, aren't you a trooper? What's your job? Asthma and allergy office. So you're really helping people.
Yes.
Yeah, which is why it's worth it. You can't live here a full year because of the snow, right?
We could if we wanted to, but we don't want to.
Okay.
Yeah. Rocky Bar is a historic gold mining town. 2,500 people lived here at one time. There were cabins everywhere. There used to be tunnels going in these mountains for you wouldn't believe how far. And the people that we bought this land from, it was in their family over 100 years.
Oh, wow.
The lady wrote us a letter after we bought the land explaining how she used to ride the ore cars into the mountain with her dad and uncles. And her experiences as a kid up here.
When did it stop? Mining stop here, do you know?
The people we bought the land from, they came through one more time in the early 80s. They went through here with heavy equipment. At one time, the road was skirting that mountain, and there's a creek that runs through there. They moved the creek here and the road there. They just
Okay.
switched everything as they came across with their equipment. Then it turned into a ghost town after the miners left. There's a lot of mines around here.
Yeah.
You've already passed a lot. You're going to pass quite a few more on your way
Yeah.
out. Anytime you see one of them PVC pipes in the ground,
Okay.
that's a mine marker. You have to mark your mining claims. State claims are generally 20 acres. These are private land claims. Yeah, they're miners up here. They have a mining claim, and they were sitting in their camp looking across the road. And first he saw a mountain lion. Behind the mountain lion was a deer. Behind the deer was a bear. And behind the bear was her cub. bear. Just all in just a very short time. He started videoing the mountain lion, and all these other animals came right through his video.
Isn't that wild?
It was just crazy. That's
The
a hunter's dream.
You would think the mountain lion would have been first.
No.
Get to see the house.
Full of rats when we bought it.
2 years to get the rats out?
Yeah.
Oh no, look at how beautiful. Oh, it's so cozy. Look at the walls and the wood. Wow, did you guys redo all this?
Yeah. When we bought it, you couldn't see any of the walls. The only wood you saw was the trim around the doors and windows.
Okay.
Everything else had cotton linens over it. for
Cotton
dust
linens.
purpose,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
And they put hundreds of these little brads to hold those linens. All these cabins are like that. You can still see it in this one across the road. So we pulled all that off and exposed these boards, filled in between every board with spray foam, 2 coats of polyurethane. This was the last room that I did last summer. I didn't even think I was gonna get to it, but Karen talked me into it. And it had some pretty good sized holes from where the rats would eat through from between the walls. And this hole right here was a dandy.
Oh, wow.
So
There's some big rats.
yes, they were. Karen's got some pictures of a couple that were watching her clean. So for many years, I was carrying this bag of newspapers in my travel trailers for building our campfires and stuff. Karen was going to throw them away the night before. I said, no, let's save them and we'll stuff them in these big holes before I foam. Give it something to hold on to. And when she got ready to foam, she reached in the middle and pulled out some papers. And the first one she opened up was my dad's obituary from 2011.
Wow.
I had no idea that was even.
That is eerie.
What's the chance of all them papers? And she pulls out, she goes, and I look down from the ladder. Oh, hey, Dad.
I know. It was
So-
like, right?
Dad's in the hole on the front road.
Oh, for days we were just like, wow, this is eerie.
I'm having to stop so often. It's our last little switchback climb. And now we get to go down to Kathy's, Cyndie's. I think it's Cyndie's. Then there's some huge climb where I'm gonna have to hike my bike. Some climb before Ketchum. So I don't know. I tell you, the Cutthroat was easier. Thinner tire and lighter bike, but I only had 35 pounds. Yeah, this extra 20 pounds is killing me. Not to mention being out of weight. Oh, thank goodness, civilization. I can't tell you how excited I am to have a huge meal, charge my stuff fully, check bills may have come in that I owe, touch base with the YouTube folks. I could always get a motel room. No, I'm not gonna do that. It's way too early in the trip. So this is Featherville, Idaho. Cyndie's Cafe. Yay. All I know is thank goodness it's not Monday. I just want to see what the other place is. There's Cyndie's Cafe is all I knew of. Oh, this is just the bar. Okay. This gentleman is showing me, giving me advice because he said there's another climb just like Pfeiffer, but it's steep. What'd you say?
It's shorter distance, but same max climb, so you're going to be steeper over a
Which
shorter
means
distance.
it's going to be horrible.
But it's not as long. So pushing it
Like
uphill
how many
won't
miles
take you
less?
about 3 miles less
3
than
miles
what you
less?
just went
Oh,
through.
okay. Well, that's a good amount less.
Yeah. We're right here at Featherville,
Okay.
and this is Baumgartner Hot Springs. That's 10 miles.
Okay.
And then Warswick, you make this turn, and there's Warswick right there. Smoky Bar has food and stuff, so you'll get another reprieve there.
Okay.
And then it's about, from there to here is about 8 miles, give or take. If you can make it to there, that's a great camp spot for the night. And then, see that area? That's all
yeah.
flat again.
Okay.
So in the morning you get 3, 4, or 5 miles of warm up before you hit right there is Dollar.
Alrighty.
And then it's all downhill from there into Warm Springs into Sun Valley.
Okay, awesome. Now, how far is it for me from Featherville
From here to there is about 42 miles.
42?
Yes, but it's all flat. River flat. Honestly, there's nothing in between that's
Okay.
worth staying at. Not on a weekend. You try and stay at Baumgartner, you're going to have 50 million of your closest neighbors from wherever you're from are going to be
Okay.
there as well. It's just not the place to be. There's a lot of campgrounds between here and there, but they're going to
Okay.
be, you know, a lot of people are going to be in there.
That's right, because it's Saturday night.
It is.
Right, yeah.
So if you've got the 42 miles of flat left in you, it's well worth making.
Well, maybe
worse
after your 2/3.
to put out cheeseburger.
I go, what's your biggest piece of food? He's like, what is it called?
2/3 pound cheeseburger.
That's it, baby. I feel like I need something else even.
Well,
I'm
it comes
hungry.
with fries, tots, potato salad, cottage cheese.
Oh, okay. And I think your dinner salad, is it a pretty good size or is it kind of small?
No, it's a full size dinner salad. It's not one of the
Okay. And with, would you have blue cheese dressing?
homemade.
Yeah. Okay, this will get me on 42 miles. Thank you.
And you need to film the sign that you probably missed
Where
when you
is it?
came in.
Cyndie's
Let me take
Cafe?
that. Nope.
Oh, sorry.
Nope, that's all right.
The menu stuck under my armpit. Welcome, you insane bicyclists. Thank you.
You want something to drink?
Oh, a huge glass of water.
You got
And then
it.
something that's cold, like, I don't want to suck down too much soda.
I got Gatorade in there.
Ooh, you have an A&W root beer?
I do.
That would be awesome.
I
and
got
a
cream
huge glass.
soda in there.
You do? How much are your cans of soda?
$1.
Let's have one of each. Thank you.
So a cream soda and a root beer. You want one or the other, and then we'll give you the other one.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Stay
We'll
cold.
keep it- What do you want to start with?
You're so cute. I'll start with the A&W. I love that attention to detail. Are you the owner?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Pat.
Pat. Thank you,
My
Pat.
wife's in
You're
back.
awesome.
She's the real owner. I'm just married to you.
And who are you, cutie face?
And that's Penny.
Hi, pennies. Oh, big stretch. That's how I feel right now. Yeah. Here's a sweet little patio they have, and then I guess that's where all the campers and RV people can hang out. Delicious homemade blue cheese dressing. A real slice of tomato. Thank you very much. I don't know how to eat this. Something about a burger when you're biking. Never tasted so delicious. If you need internet, this is the Wi-Fi spot for Verizon cell phone users. Just leaving Cyndie's Cafe and it has started to rain. Guess what? Can you see? We are on pavement. Aww. I was having such a nice time. The owner of the shop, the cafe, said that it's flat. So let's see if the word flat means the same to him as it does to me. Well, this is getting open prairie beautiful. I love open prairies. We'll see some animals. I don't know what time it is, maybe 3:30. Here's like the dust that you do and then you duck. And you can see. Yeah, baby! Oh my gosh. How do I look? Do I look like I've been having a nice flat ride? I don't know about you, but I just saw a lot of butts. Although I didn't see one male butt. They're all wearing their baggy pants, baggy swim trunks. I want to see some men's butts. Why don't we get any eye candy? There's something seriously wrong. So one-sided. Not that I necessarily wanted to see any of those guys' particular butts. See, this is when I get really tired. I get really stupid, goofy, or I'll get really bitchy. Get really intimate, canyon-like. Really pretty. Oh my God, it feels so good to put my head down, hear water, be in the shade. I could just like rock myself to sleep right here, but I won't. Somebody already coming, yes. You can go by me, it's okay. Of course, like a zillion razors fly by me all day, right? Like these cool looking things. And I finally go to get one on video and it's like some old Suzuki. I definitely have the giggles. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. You can't tell through camera. You can't. Go get a backpack. A really big backpack. And go to the supermarket and go get 75 pounds. No. 75 pounds, 77 pounds includes the weight of the bike. Wait, I have to do... Wait a minute, I have to do some math, which requires counting on my fingers. So go get... We're just gonna round this off. Go get 50 pounds of potatoes. Throw them in your backpack and get on a bicycle. And go up a hill for 4 hours. I have a companion horsefly. He's been riding with me for a while. Do you see him? He hangs out. Don't land on my face, or I'm gonna have to put an end to your life. Hey, see him, my little buddy? I hate those things though. See, I'm never alone. Hey, he's right here with me. Yeah, I can do this bike thing. I don't know why he likes it so much. You have this whole world out here to see. All kinds of cool stuff. You're hanging out with me. Oh shit. All right, we're in it. I'm gonna go over this bridge. There's like a little spot it looks like over there. Actually feels nice. We should be okay. That's where I was gonna go, over there in that spot where all the animals. Oh shit, is there a gate? Is it locked? No, please. Really? Maybe it's just an animal thing. Well, I'm going. So, I don't know. All right, he should keep us dry for a little while, but look, no one's like really camped here. I gotta clean all this debris from the ground. Awesome. It is a little freaky, right? Because the animals come down from these mountains. I should probably be on the other side with the road and the water in between. Gosh, I have a tree here to put my bike and with me. You just don't know what you're gonna run into, right? And now it's pouring. All ready for me to crawl inside and go to sleep at 6 o'clock. And all the animals are gonna crawl down from this hill to come to get water, and they're gonna swing by my tent for a really friendly hello. Not to mention I'm gated in. I'm gated in with the animals. That was good, this experience. I'm just kind of like wet, like cool. I'm really tired. I can't wait to crawl into the tent, put the yummy jammies on, get in that sleeping bag, eat my burger and fries. Although then I have to get out of the tent because I need to take that scent outside. By the way, I hung my bag of food and there was a bear sign right over here. I put bug spray. Well, why not? Why not give it a shot? You know, I don't know. Experts would probably say, no, it's not gonna matter. It's just another deterrent I thought that might help. I guess we'll find out. No, I don't want to find out if it works or not, because that means that there'll be a bear down here. I did bring my bear spray into the tent. By the way, I'm considering trying to hitch up the hill, up the climb. It's steeper, he said, than the one I did, the Pfizer, whatever it's called, but it's shorter. And I'm thinking, okay, well, I have no reason to have that experience again. I don't need more hike-a-bike experiences. I'm really anxious to put my arm down and get warm. So, good night. Oh no.